Hop into the 2019 Kia Sorento. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 150,000 miles on the odometer. This versatile Sorento has what your family needs to get the most out of every journey. Available in all-wheel drive or front-wheel drive, this mid-size 3-row crossover has earned its reputation for prioritizing safety, passenger comfort, cargo capacity, and connectivity. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, heated mirrors, steering wheel audio controls, aluminum wheels, third-row seat, alarm, electronic stability control, rear spoiler, traction control, intermittent wipers. Prepare to build lasting family memories in this smooth, spacious Sorento. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.